In today's video, I want to talk to you about the blamer and how fragile and vulnerable they are to the slightest bit of criticism. The narcissistic leader is the blamer. He's the one that points out where the man of courage, the person willing to risk himself, stumbles, and where the doer of the deeds could have done better, as Roosevelt said in his speech, Man in the Arena. The narcissist doesn't have any empathy. He doesn't have any empathy for the person in the arena, the man of courage. The narcissist is in fact a weak person. While the narcissistic leader appears to have extreme confidence, they are very fragile. They have very fragile self-esteem, and they're very vulnerable. Like I said, the slightest bits of criticism. You're going to know them when you see how they respond to correction, because they don't respond very well to correction. When you correct a narcissistic person, he's going to hate you and he's going to mock you. But if you correct a wise person, that person loves you and will become wiser. So the narcissistic personality disorder has an inflated sense of their own sense of greatness. They don't have any humility, no capacity to see their own humanness or to see their own weaknesses. In fact, them having a weakness is really a foreign concept to themselves. They're never wrong. They don't have any courage. It takes a lot of courage to be vulnerable and to admit being wrong. It takes a lot of courage to humble yourself and consider the concept of being wrong. And when you put yourself out there, your vulnerability out there, and you don't hide behind the mask, you're engaging in a courageous act. And this is a strength of character. It allows you to persevere and to grow personally and build character. It's really hard to be vulnerable and to be courageous in a culture run by a command, control, blame, ridicule, manipulate through shame leader. Hey, I hope this helped you. God bless.